What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss how much power the truck made at Firepunk, what it did on the dyno, and just kind of where we're at right now, what's my next plan, this, that, and the other. I got the dyno sheet right here. The truck made 704 horsepower on the first tune, 826 on the second, 945 on the third, 973 on the fourth, and 978 on the fifth on fuel only. And it made 1,353 horsepower on spray. The truck, for some reason, was having a lot of issues with air. There's no telling why. For one, that day it was really humid. Humidity is not good for making power. I was on these tires, excuse me, not the dyno tires. These are a little taller. They might have cost some horsepower there. Other than that, you know, it comes down to the intercooler pipe setup stock. It should probably have some different intercooler pipes. It's a stock intercooler. That probably doesn't help. I haven't ran a leak down test on the intercooler system to see if it's leaking somewhere, which I'm sure it probably is. But nonetheless, if you're losing power over humidity and you're losing power over, you know, tires, and we're only 20 some horsepower away from 1,000 on fuel, so I'm not too upset with it. The big single has been really fun for street driving, but at the same time, I kind of want to change it up. I need to get rods in the motor and a girdle, and then we can go with a compound setup and really see what this setup could do. I mean, it's got so much potential, but right now we're just kind of, I mean, don't get me wrong, we're doing big stuff for a little truck, but it could go a lot farther than it is. Other than that, you know, the dyno day went really great. The guys at Firepunk are really cool. Levon taught me a lot about the tuning stuff. Any question I had, he answered it full willingly. I was there pretty much all day, and it was a great time. It was one of them things. We got there, and I told Levon if the truck didn't make 1,000 horsepower on fuel only, we were spraying the house down, and I didn't care what it done. And he said, you know, sometimes these heads just won't flow enough. I've seen 800 horsepower trucks that should have been 1,200 horsepower. Sometimes you just can't get the airflow out of the heads. It's like, okay. He said, well, we'll run a test pass. We'll see if she's a runner and see what it does. First tune that they sent me to download on the truck, to get there, it made 978. And then we put fuel in it. We added timing in it. At that, we were only like 1,600 US, which I don't know. I mean, some of you might know what I'm talking about, but 1,600 US on the scale of an injector isn't a lot. It's about midway. You could go a lot higher with the increments, but we added more fuel and more timing and it made less power. So we knew there was an airflow problem right there. If you add fuel and timing and it doesn't make power, you don't have enough air. That's the only thing that keeps these diesels going, is fuel and air. So we sprayed it, and you know, we were all expecting, you know, it's probably gonna make 1,100-ish, and we looked up and see that it made 1,300, and everybody in the shop was like, oh my god. And it was a really cool moment when you're just a kid with a street truck that you built in their driveway, and all these people that have these just insane race trucks come running over cheering it on. It was a cool feeling. The last time you seen the truck, it was kind of the same. Not the video that was going up before this about what problems we had and encountered, but the video where I walked around it. Since then, we've done the vinyl graphics all the way down for all the people that have helped me and all the people that have brought it together. Other than that, I got the bumper repainted, because as you guys remember, the bumper was chipped pretty bad. Or if you haven't seen that video, the whole bumper was chipped here, right here. There's some massive paint chips gone, and I added some little trim to the headlights to kind of outline it a little bit. It's not the best thing ever. It's not going to stay forever, but just something to give it a little flair. And then I painted the windshield wipers. I painted the cab lights. I had the tailgate repainted because it had a chip in it. I had it debadged, had the tailgate handle painted. I cleaned the tail lights out, kind of done them up a little bit. painted the license plate cover just because I was bored, I guess. Other than that, oh, there's axle dumps too in that video. The axle dump was letting soot come all over the back end of the truck, so I changed it back just to a normal exhaust. Let's see. I don't really think much else has changed. I think the forces were on it in my last video, weren't they? Yeah. Other than that, yeah, the body hasn't really changed much. Obviously, all the stuff under the hood was changed done by myself, and all the powder coat was done by Patricksburg Powder Coat. They helped us out a lot on this. My buddy Jeff Sisson, he owns Diesel Mafia. He helped me with all the vinyl graphics down the side. And other than that, you know, Industrail, Firepunk, Air Dog, Hamilton, companies like Fleece, you know, all this stuff wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the people in the business. But other than that, it's pretty cool where we've came from where we got it. And if I can throw up some clips right now of the dyno videos I took, I will, if I can figure out how to do it. If not, I'll figure out how to do it in another video. But we made our goal: 1,000 horsepower street truck, 1,300 on spray. I don't know, I guess we'll see where we go from here. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you for watching the videos, liking, commenting, all the people who have messaged me. It's just, I mean, if it wasn't for you guys, this stuff wouldn't be going on. I probably wouldn't have kept doing this. So, like, share, subscribe, comment, message me, just tell me who you are. Thanks guys, have a good day.